everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not maybe the best looking today just because I was not prepared to film, it was not planned, but I received my YesStyle order for earth tones video. There's in this trend to wear like more nudes and brown tones. However, I don't really have anything too earth tony, but then I went on Google and searched what really means earth tone. And to be quite honest, everything you can find in nature, in earth, is earth tone. Therefore, it means also green, it means also blue because of sky, it means also white. I got a lot of cute clothing from YesStyle. I have been following them for such a long time, so when they contacted me, thank you so much for this opportunity to try your clothing. This time I thought I'm going to challenge myself. Therefore, I chose a few clothing items that are out of my comfort zone. Let's get into the video. All the items will be linked down below. If you like something, you can check the links and buy easily. Let's open up. I'm so excited, although I'm scared that something is not going to fit me right. This one's kind of peeking out. This is skirt. This I remember, and this is in beige color, so it kind of goes into the category. YesStyle's kind of Asian site. You need to check the sizing for each item. I watch the sizing and I watch the reviews, what people say if you need size up or size down. I sized up in most of the items. This is L. Even though normally I would purchase M size. And the price was $12.75. They looked like this. It has like a ruffle. The quality feels really good. I just want some natural colored skirt. I hope they're going to fit me. They're not really stretchy. They have a zipper on the back side and they have like white lining. We are going to try that later on. Then I have something else which is like in nude tone. This is how it's really now famous. These like short cropped cardigans with like strap which tie in the front, and this has two, but I saw in the picture that the girl like kind of tied them up really cute. This was $7.20. Yeah. It feels like a good quality, to be quite honest, especially now when I live in Spain. It's really hot. I don't want anything really heavy. Then we go for one item which totally doesn't go for earth tones, but I wanted something pastel purple, like lilac tone, and I just wanted one, and I saw one really cute that has M size. It has like puff sleeves that I usually don't go for, but I have bought a few tops and they actually look good on me, so I thought I will try with this one. And I love that it has this drawstring in the middle. I think that one's going to look really good on me. We will see that one. I'm really into colors this year. €9.10. I'm just so excited. As I said, few things I ordered really out of my comfort zone and something which usually wouldn't fit me, but I thought I would take the risk. This is lace bustier. I ordered in L, floral embroidered bustier. It was €13.10. It is so small and it was size L, and I was checking on sizing and everything, and it is so small. Maybe it like stretches around, but I don't think so. It's really small. Oh my god. On camera it looks bigger. I just love the detailing. I love the detailing. I thought, I don't know, underneath maybe something great. I'm scared about this one, but it looks so cute. Like it looks bomb. Next one is white. I think this was also something corset bustier type or some top. This looks super small. Doesn't have like any zipper. This one was $10.20. I love that they are adjustable straps. That's very important for me. It looked really like corset type, but it's really soft. I really start to hate that I was going out of my comfort zone so much. I got one dress, like corset type of dress, in this like cute blue tone. Mesh mini light blue dress in XL. I got it in XL. I never get XL size. It was $16.95. This is how for XL size you can put such a small like boob part. This is smaller than the other ones which I had like L or M size. I think this is going to go for selling. It's beautiful dress, and to be honest, the quality, it's soft. It feels really good. Then we have something more nude tones. I went for nude because actually I don't have a lot of nudes. It looks a little bit transparent, but we will see. It was one size dress and it is 15.60. But again, like, and I love that it has these buttons you can unbutton. Materials are actually really soft for them. I'm really surprised, nicely surprised. And this is just top that I actually ordered to wear underneath things because it has like this nice edge, so I thought maybe underneath something I can wear this one. Plus I actually ordered, why I also went for those bustiers and more like out there kind of product, because I thought that I could wear this over it, because I cannot wear just this one because I have bigger sizing. I don't really like wear just those as well because I think it's just too revealing to going on the street. It actually look like an underwear. I don't like it. I thought together this and those bustiers could look really nice. Let's try on and see how they look on. Guys, this lilac top with puff sleeves. Here it is a little bit tight around my arm, but it's not too tight, it's just tight. I love this top. It might be my favorite because it's actually the one that you look good and you feel too exposed. I'm amazed by the quality and this really feels good. We are going to vote 10. This is 10. This is like there's no other options. This is 10. If you're brunette, then get your purple tones. Okay, this is that bustier. I don't know how, but they somehow fit in and they push up and I'm kind of shocked. Plus I don't feel insecure. I don't feel like they would fall out. It is really revealing. I don't feel like this is something to go out. If you put like jacket on and on a date with your man. So I put this one on. With this one on, it kind of looks bomb. Like I would go on a date with my man in this one. I'm shocked that my boobs actually fitted in and that they actually look good. I love that here you can choose which one you want to tie up. This is kind of cute because it's kind of... I cannot speak today because I was not prepared to speak, but listen. To hide the boobs, you can actually more tie up this one better, and then it shows the bustier part, and then it is kind of cute. Maybe that skirt will fit me. I hope the skirt fit me because then I have the whole look and I will live by this look. I rate the bustier 10 and I rate this one 10 as well. I think there's nothing else you could add and put, and it's just so extra. Let's wear those moments that I'm most likely like, it's not fitting me. I have bigger size and these bustiers and bralettes never fit me. I put over this small cardigan because I'm trying on the white corset top. It's too soft, it doesn't hold anything, it doesn't push up anything. I think it feels really transparent. I would either use some boob tape that I actually planning to order. I discovered that many women that you think that their boobs look so great, they actually wear boob tape. Therefore I'm giving this like a 6. But in general it feels really good. This one feels like corset, but this part doesn't. The next one is this black top. First thing I noticed is everything seems pretty tight and small until you put it on because they kind of stretch good. I can actually wear it without bra because as it is black you will not see anything. Plus it has this cups inside that holds better and like push a little bit up, and I like these straps they make. Everything looks so much better. I will give this top 10 as well. If there's something I can wear without bra, I'm so shocked. Usually I cannot wear it without bra. Just check the page out. I want to order from them my birthday dresses maybe. I tried on skirt and these are just perfect skirt that I love. They have only the inside part sewed together so it's like short. That way, as they are really short, you feel way more secured and protected and you cannot flash anyone. Plus they are really great on my body and I think they look great. Comment down below, let me know how you think. You can see underneath because I'm wearing the same bustier. If you put like a nude bra you don't see anything. It's a little bit transparent. I was expecting it to be less transparent. Or maybe this could be like a nice beach dress. I will try out with like nude underwear, all nude. This one I think is 5. When I stand like a statue, then maybe it's okay, but in the moment when I need to move around, I will not feel good. At least fits me. This is the first item where I'm like a little bit not sure how I feel about. Let me know in the comments how you like this dress, if you will wear it or not. I will be so curious from YesStyle trying out more clothing, especially dresses. I would shop there. I would suggest you to shop there because they surprised me with the quality. My conclusion and review of the whole YesStyle of the first impression would be 8/9, 9/8. Let's go with 9. I feel pretty confident about them. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, which one was least favorite, if you have tried something from YesStyle and what would you suggest buying from YesStyle. Check out the links and link in general that I'm going to post of YesStyle down below. Like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more hauls, for more reviews and sincere, honest try-on hauls, and see you guys next time. Bye!